Hello, good evening. Today I am at Runal Gateway project by Runal Builders. This project is at Ravet. It comes under PCMC, and this is the sample flat of 3 BHK of 1300 square feet. This is the first bedroom, which is guest room, you can say. This sample flat is at actual site. This is second floor. Here you have common toilet. Now this side you have living room. It's a very spacious one. Window and attached terrace. This Runal Gateway is under construction and the possession is this year December. So you will get possession in around 2 months. This is the kitchen area. Parallel kitchen platforms. This is the dry terrace. You can see the under construction building area. This is dining space. Here you have 2 BHK from 1000 square feet till 1250 square feet. So this 3 BHK is the bigger one, around 1250 square feet. This is the second bedroom with attached terrace. Common toilet with shower area. And here you have master bedroom. This project is a highway touch project. It is just beside Mumbai-Pune highway and it is nearby Mukai Chowk, which is around 500 to 600 meters from this project. I'll show you the external area also. This was of 1250 square feet 3 BHK. Now I'll explain you the project. This is the external area of Runal Gateway. These are the 4 buildings. Of 18 floors, and this is the amenity space. The total area of Runal Gateway is 7.5 acres. So in this amenity space you will get clubhouse, party lawn, children play area, sit out area, and you can see this building. This is a commercial building, and above this building you will have your swimming pool. And these are the 2 buildings of Runal Gateway which is under construction. Here you will have 2 and 3 BHK flats with same dimension. The possession of this building will be December 21. Now we are having one more project just beside Runal Gateway. It is Runal Spatio. So I'll show you that area as well. So in this under construction building you will have 2 BHK of around 800 square feet till 890 square feet and 3 BHK around 1015 square feet till 1250 square feet. This is the view of the project. These are the buildings. Of 18 floors and 2 buildings are of 21 floors. So I am at terrace area of Runal Gateway. You can see this is Mumbai-Pune highway, and this will be the entrance. So it is a highway touch property. You can see this is Mumbai-Pune Expressway, and this is Mumbai-Pune highway, and that part where the two highways are joining, that is Mokai Chowk. This side is Bhumkar Chowk, Wakad, Baner, and the rest of the part. And just beside this project you have a famous resort. It is Sentosa Resort. You can see this is a landmark. So you can see this is Mumbai-Pune Expressway, and there you have our cricket stadium, MCA Stadium, which is around 3 to 4 kilometers from this project. This is the construction site of 7.5 acres. This is Runal Spatio, which is just nearby the entrance. It is of 2.5 acres. Here also you will have 2 and 3 BHK flats. The 2 BHK carpet area of Spatio will be of 700 till 750 square feet, and for 3 BHK it will be of 800 till 900 square feet. The possession is December 21. Here you will have a high speed lift. So we were at 21st floor. We are going down. So thank you friends for watching this video. We are having good offers for this project since it is a new launch project, and we are giving good discounts also. We are having exciting bank schemes for this project. So to know more details, please contact us. Our official number has been mentioned below, and please give us your valuable feedback regarding this video and this project. We are waiting for that. And please like and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much again for watching this video.